Hello friends, today we are going to start the fifth lesson of Moments book. The title of the lesson is The Happy Prince. The Happy Prince is a story written by Oscar Wilde. It is a wonderful story of 19th century English fiction. The story is about the statue that is of Happy Prince that is covered with gold and fine jewels. When the prince was alive, he was very happy. But after his death, a big statue of his was erected on the pedestal. From there, he saw the entire city and suffering of the people. And in this chapter, we will study the story of that happy prince. It is an imaginary lesson. There are two main characters of this story. First is the happy prince, and second, the main character is the swallow, a bird. Some other minor characters are also in the lesson. First is the seamstress, second, the little boy, next, the playwright, means playwriter, then the little match girl, and last character of this story is the beautiful angel. First of all, before starting the lesson, let us introduce the characters. The main character, as I have told you, the happy prince, he was the ruler of the kingdom who lived happily in his palace. The happy prince did not know what the sorrows are. He did not bother how people in his kingdom were living their lives. After his death, his statue was set up so high that he could see all the sufferings, misery, ugliness of his city. Second character, the swallow, who is a bird who worked as a messenger for the statue of Happy Prince. Next character, the other characters of the story, the seamstress. She is a poor lady. She has a baby and he is lying. He is suffering from fever and he is lying ill on his bed. And he is asking from his mother oranges. But his mother is so poor that she had nothing to give him but only river water. So the little boy of seamstress, he is crying. Second character, the playwright. He is also a very poor person. He is a playwright and he has to complete his play for the director of a theatre. But it is very cold outside and that is the reason he cannot complete to write. There is no fire in his grate and hunger has made him faint. Now, next character, the little match girl, matches बेचने वाली लड़की. The little match girl is the third poor person. She has to give her father money by selling her matches. But her matches had fallen in the gutter and they had spoiled. So she was crying. She had no shoes, no stockings. Next character is the beautiful angel. An angel was signed with the task by the god to bring two most precious things in the city. When he brought the leaden heart and dead swallow, the good deeds of Happy Prince and Swallow must be paid fairly by the god. Now, the story starts with the statue of Happy Prince that is situated in the middle of really unhappy town. One day, a swallow who was flying over the town, he took shelter in the town and he came to sit on the statue of Happy Prince. When he was staying between his feet, suddenly he felt that there were drops on his body. Then he looked upside and he saw that the statue of Happy Prince was crying. Now Swallow asked the Happy Prince why he was crying. The prince said that there was so much sadness in his town and he could not do because he is in the pedestal. But the swallow wanted to go to Nile river. He wanted to go with his friends. The Happy Prince asked the swallow to stay with him for one night and to do his work. The Happy Prince was so sad that swallow was melted at his crying and he agreed to help the Happy Prince. First of all, the Happy Prince sent his ruby to the seamstress whose son was crying. He had fever. The swallow did the Happy Prince work. Then the Happy Prince again requested the swallow to stay with him for one night more. Swallow again agreed and he took the Happy Prince sapphire that was situated in the eyes of Happy Prince statue. He went to a little boy who was completing his play. The swallow put the sapphire on his table. Then the Happy Prince again asked the swallow to stay with him one night more. At this time, he asked the swallow to give his second ruby to a match girl whose matches had fallen on the gutter and she was crying. The swallow did as the prince wanted. Now the Happy Prince was totally blind. He could not see the sufferings and misery of his town. So the swallow, who was interested to go to the Egypt to stay with his friends, now he decided that he will stay with the Happy Prince always. But there was winter and swallow could not fly in this season. So he stayed there and instead of prince, the swallow used to tell the prince what happened in the city and the other towns. But because of winter, the swallow could not stay for long there. Now he died because of winter. As the swallow died, the Happy Prince, the statue of Happy Prince also broke. Then the greedy mayor of the town did not think the statue is beautiful without jewels, and he ordered his servants to melt the statue of Prince. Then the pupil of mayor found that the prince's laden heart would not melt, so they threw it out. Throughout the story, an angel who has been ordered by God to find the two most precious things from the city and bring back to the God. The angel brought back the dead swallow and the leaden heart of happy prince to God. The God accepted that these were the two most precious things in the city. The theme of the story is outward beauty is nothing, it is just a show. The real beauties are love and sacrifice. Love and sacrifice are two saving forces. The writer wants to tell that the outward beauty does not mean a lot. The real beauty is in person's heart, which have the deep feeling and the ability to feel the sorrows and hardships of other, just like the happy prince, that he led a happy life, but after his death, when he saw people worries, he felt them and helped them as he could do so. The lesson we got from the story is that every person is not the same, as the happy prince is very rich and live happily, but when he saw people's hardships, even after his death, he was worried and anxious to help them at every possible way and make it possible by the sorrow which was his great deed. Thank you. खत्म कर दो बेटा तू